Hi guys, so we have an O-level past paper question from the year 2014. The session is May-June. This is question number 2. In this question, we'll factorize and solve inequalities and also solve for a variable. So let's get into it. The question says f is equal to 6c square minus d over 4. Find f when c is equal to 8 and d is equal to 4. The first thing that you have to do is find the value of f by plugging in the values of c and d. So you do 6 times c, which is 8 squared, minus negative 4, which is the value of d, divided by 4. This is very simple. 8 times 8 is 64. 64 times 6 is 384. 384 plus 4 gives us 388. So this becomes 388 over 4. You divide this by 4. Let's see what you get. Your value comes out to be 97. So the first answer is 97. The next part says express c in terms of d and f. What you have to do is you have to make c the subject. So first thing, you write down the formula as it is, 6c squared minus d over 4. Cross multiplied. When you cross multiplied, 4 times f gives you 4f. The d comes to the left, gives you plus d is equal to 6c squared. The next thing that you do is you isolate the c squared. This becomes 4f plus d over 6. Then what you have to do is you find the square root of both sides and you get plus minus under root 4f plus d over 6, and this is your answer. Your value of c is plus minus under root 4f plus d over 6. The next part says solve 17 minus 5x less than 2x plus 3. This is a very simple question. All you have to do is find the value of x. The first thing that you do is try to make all the variables turn to positive. So this becomes 17 minus 3 less than equal to 2x plus 5x. 17 minus 3 gives you 14. 14 less than equal to 2x plus 5x gives you 7x. So in short, x is greater than equal to 2. This is your answer. X is greater than equal to 2. The next part says factorize 9 minus 25x squared. The first thing that you do is convert all these numbers into perfect squares. This becomes 3 square minus 5 square x squared. Then on this you apply the identity equation, which is 3 plus 5x and 3 minus 5x. This is your answer. 3 plus 5x and 3 minus 5x. The next part then says factorize completely 8px plus 6qy minus 3qx minus 16py. Let's see. The first thing that we can do is bring 8px and 3qx together so that x can be the subject. So this becomes 8px minus 3qx plus 6qy minus 16py. Now let's make x the subject. X becomes the subject. This becomes 8p minus 3q plus the next thing that you can make the subject is negative 2y, in fact. So you take negative 2y. What happens inside this is that this becomes 8p minus 3y. Sorry, 3q. Y is already the subject. So now the two brackets, parentheses, those are equal. So your final answer becomes 8p minus 3q and x minus 2y. You write this over here, 8p minus 3q and x minus 2y. This is our answer. The next part says solve 5x squared plus 6x minus 13 equal to 0. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. The first thing that you need to write is the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then what you can do is write the values of a, b and c so that the question becomes easy for you. A is equal to 5, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to negative 13. Now let's plug in these values. If b is 6, this becomes negative 6 plus minus under root b squared means 6 squared minus 4 times a, which is 5, times negative 13 divided by 2 times 5. Okay, all of this is equal to x. So x is equal to negative 6 plus minus, I'm going to shorten this. So 6 squared minus 4 times 5 times negative 13 gives you under root 296 divided by 10. Then what you can do is you simplify this. So first of all, root 296 is not a perfect square. So this becomes negative 6 plus minus negative 6 plus under root 296 over 10. This is the first value. And the second value may become negative 6 minus under root 296 over 10. Let's see what the two values are. The first and the second value are 1.12 and the second value is negative 2.32. So you write these values over here, negative 2.32 and 1.12, and we're done with the question. I hope this question made sense. The complete working of the entire question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.